Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Lithium-ion batteries prefer moderate charge ranges for longevity. Keep your battery between 20% and 80% when possible. Avoid letting the charge fall to 0% repeatedly. Avoid staying at 100% for long periods when feasible. Each full cycle counts toward the battery's service life. Typical packs endure about 300 to 500 full cycles before capacity drops noticeably. Minimizing deep discharge and full charge extremes slows capacity loss. These fundamentals give the biggest long-term improvements to battery health. Charge at moderate temperatures to protect the cells. Ideal charging happens near 20 degrees C to 25 degrees C ambient temperature. Avoid charging in hot environments above 35 degrees C whenever possible. Use the device manufacturer charger and cable for safe voltage and current. Avoid excessive daily fast charging. Use it selectively for convenience. If you fast charge, remove thick cases to help thermal dissipation during charge. Many phones include optimized charging features. Enable them to delay reaching 100% until you need the device. These habits reduce heat. For long-term storage, keep the battery around 50% charge to limit stress. Store devices in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Avoid storing for months at 0% or 100% battery levels. Update device firmware regularly to benefit from battery management improvements. Close background apps that cause unnecessary wake-ups and charge cycles. Calibrate occasionally by charging to near full, then discharging to about 20% to correct gauge accuracy. Replace batteries when maximum capacity drops below about 80% for best daily reliability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.